Good morning and Merry Christmas. Give you guys a little taste of what we got going on here. Depew, New York, right outside of Buffalo, just east, about 10 miles. Snow up past the windows. Gotta crawl out to dig out. Got a wood pile, luckily. I'm one of 8 customers with no power here on my street, including the neighbors on the same side. Sorry if I'm breathing a little bit heavy, but it's tough getting through this crap. This was my driveway, kitchen. A lot of blowing snow right now, so it's a little tricky to see. We're trying to keep our spirits up over here. As you can see, my side of the street is dark, and neighbors have Christmas lights across the street. Enjoy this white Christmas any way you can. Stay warm.